Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the 2025 Honda CB400F, a motorcycle that masterfully blends classic aesthetics with modern performance. The 2025 Honda CB400F showcases a sleek and aerodynamic design, paying homage to its legendary heritage while incorporating contemporary elements. The bike features a minimalist yet aggressive stance, with sharp lines and a sculpted fuel tank that enhances its sporty appeal. Advanced LED lighting systems, including a bright round-shaped LED headlamp with DRLs and twin-lens LED taillamps, not only provide superior visibility but also add to its modern look. The CB400F is available in a range of striking color options, allowing riders to choose a finish that best suits their personal style. At the heart of the CB400F lies a 399cc liquid-cooled DOHC engine, delivering enhanced power and a thrilling riding experience. This engine is designed for smooth power delivery, making it ideal for both city commuting and spirited weekend rides. The bike's lightweight double cradle frame offers firm rigidity and stability at high speeds, ensuring agile handling and a responsive feel on the road. With a curb weight of 201 kg, the CB400F strikes a balance between stability and maneuverability. The CB400F is equipped with a fully digital instrument panel that provides riders with essential information at a glance. This modern display includes features such as speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, and gear position indicator, enhancing the overall riding experience. Additionally, the bike offers advanced rider aids, including ABS and traction control, ensuring safety and confidence across various riding conditions. The inclusion of LED lighting and premium build quality further accentuates its modern appeal. Built on a double cradle frame, the CB400F provides firm rigidity and stability, crucial for high-speed performance. The bike features a lightweight aluminum swing arm, contributing to its agile handling. The rear suspension comes with a 5-step preload adjuster, allowing riders to fine-tune the setup according to their preferences and riding conditions. This customization ensures optimal comfort and control, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Safety is paramount in the design of the CB400F. The bike is equipped with double hydraulic disc brakes on the front wheel and a single hydraulic disc brake on the rear, providing robust stopping power. A dual-channel anti-lock braking system (ABS) comes standard, enhancing braking performance and preventing wheel lock-up during sudden stops. The 17-inch alloy wheels, paired with wide front and rear tires, offer superior road grip and stability, ensuring a confident ride across various terrains. With a fuel tank capacity of 18 liters, the CB400F offers a generous range, making it suitable for longer journeys without frequent refueling stops. The bike's design emphasizes practicality without compromising on style, catering to riders who seek both performance and everyday usability. Its seat height of 755 mm and ground clearance of 130 mm strike a balance between accessibility and road presence, accommodating a wide range of riders. The 2025 Honda CB400F stands as a testament to Honda's commitment to blending classic design elements with modern technology and performance. Its combination of sleek aesthetics, advanced features, and practical design makes it a compelling choice for riders seeking a versatile and stylish motorcycle. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of motorcycling, the CB400F offers a balanced and engaging experience that's hard to match.